The flavor of memories. In the quaint village of Eldenwood, nestled between rolling hills and shimmering streams, food was more than sustenance. It was the very essence of life. Each dish prepared in the village carried a story, a memory woven with love and tradition. Clara, a spirited young woman with a passion for cooking, decided to host a communal feast to honor her late grandmother, who had been the village's beloved chef. Clara meticulously gathered ingredients from the local market, selecting the ripest tomatoes, fragrant herbs, and the finest cuts of meat. Each item held a nostalgic value, reminding her of the countless afternoons spent in her grandmother's kitchen, learning the art of flavor. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow over Eldenwood, villagers gathered around the long wooden tables adorned with wildflowers. Clara stood at the head, her heart racing with anticipation. She served a traditional dish, her grandmother's signature ratatouille, bursting with vibrant colors and robust flavors. As the villagers savored each bite, laughter and stories flowed as freely as the wine. They reminisced about their childhoods, their families, and the recipes passed down through generations. Clara felt a warmth envelop her. The food had not only nourished their bodies, but had also rekindled the bonds of community, bridging the past with the present. That night, as the stars twinkled above, Clara realized that food was indeed a powerful vessel for memories, capable of transcending time and connecting souls. In Eldenwood, every meal shared was a celebration of life, love, and the flavors that united them all.